So today I'm this on Semantic Scholar. That's a best free AI search engine for you. Think of it just it's like Google Scholar, but Google Scholar is in a traditional database where you have to apply keywords, certain other criteria. So that's a bit difficult, and tiresome process to search in Google Scholar. Well, the Semantic Scholar is an AI powered. It doesn't need specific keywords and Boolean operators. It works in a semantic way, in a natural language way. So it really supercharges your literature review. How? I will just quickly show you now. Say for example, I'm working on a paper related to HIV and tuberculosis, and I'm writing here HIV and tuberculosis here in this Semantic Scholar, and just click search. So loading your results, and its interface and usage is a bit similar to Google Scholar. If you have used the Google Scholar, this will be really easy for you. Just like Google Scholar, see, it is showing you a bunch of articles related to your paper. Then Google Scholar does not have really good filters. It has, but there's not so well organized, just like in PubMed. So but the Semantic Scholar has very well organized filters. The first filter is about the fields of study. You can choose across anything from this medicine, biology, economics, political science, anything if you are working on. Then you have a date range. See the beauty, it is giving the range from 1930s till now, to nearly 100 years papers it is giving you. But you can, within that, you can localize it to this year only, last 5 and 10 years is a common option that we use in research, that we took research from last 5 years or last 10 years. So this is here. You can also look for PDF. You can only click this and you will only get the articles that have PDF. Then you can look for any authors on a selected work, like I have searched for HIV and tuberculosis, and it has shown me a list of 10-12 top authors who those worked on this theme, and you can see their work, their bracket showing how much work they did. Then you can look across specific journals for that theme or topic, like in HIV and tuberculosis. Again, these are list of few journals that have a lot of papers related to this work. Another thing that you can do, you can sort with this relevance. You can sort this by relevance, by the citation count, by most influential papers, or by the recency. Then there is another thing that you can do. So this is another paper, its title, and then is its author name, journal's name, and then a very 2-3 line description this paper. But if you wish to see the abstract of this paper on this page with a click, just click here expand, and it will give you a whole abstract of this paper. Then at the bottom, for each paper, it is showing you number of citations, does it has P. So once you have collected your articles and you have come across some articles of your interest, say for example, this is the article that I saw from the title and abstract, that it really fascinates me and it is related to my work. So click here this save button here, and here you can either save it into an already created folder, or what you can do is just add new folder and give it a name. Say for example ABC, I gave it a name for example. And if you wish to get future updates about new researches coming on that topic, you can keep that get research feed option clicked. If this option is checked, you will get the updates for that if a new paper or a new work is published related to that article. If no, you can just off it. Add folder, ABC, save and close. Now that one article is saved. Say for example, now you are started collecting articles, and okay, just save it in the same folder that we just created. There's another article, say for example this article, click on save here, click on the folders. You can have many folders in your Semantic Scholar. Click on ABC, this folder, and save. So say for example you have collected a bunch of articles, say 20, 30, 10, whatever, for your research paper. Now see the magic, go on to this, click library. In library you will come across your folder. So this was the folder that you created. Click on this folder and it will show the articles you collected in this folder. Like in this, I have 3 articles collected. So what I can do with these 3 articles, I will click here, and you have option here, you can set with date, and you can either arrange it in alphabetical order as per date or recency. So say for example date, click here and all the articles will be selected. Once that, click the export option. Here the real magic begins, how this Semantic Scholar integrates with your Zotero library. Clicks export and once you click export, you will have multiple options, but download a bibtex file. Once you download a bibtex file, it is getting download here. So now I will go to my Zotero library, click on this file, go to import, let this option checked in, go to next. I have saved the file, bibtex file, on my desktop. Click that, save with the name of citations, open here, say next, boom, exporting. So here or that same library is exported from Semantic Scholar into your Zotero, and these are the articles that I had collected. Now you can these articles in any way you wish in your Zotero library. I'm not going into detail Zotero. There are multiple videos on Zotero and its integration, different AI tools and channel. You can review them. I hope that this tutorial will really help you. Thank you.